Well, hello there, and welcome to Hadley's Kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Nicholas, and I've been in a competition called Favorite Chef 2021 since the 16th of February this year. I entered on Instagram, and it definitely seemed like a scam, and I was not sure that I should give them my phone number, but here I am in the quarterfinals with the chance to win $50,000 and a 2-page spread in Bon Appetit magazine. And it's been an amazing journey. I've learned a ton. I have been expanding my boundaries for cooking, for plating, for photography, for recipes. Literally everything has changed. My home looks like a small studio now, and I don't intend to stop, even if I don't win. And I honestly don't think I could win. It's a national competition and it's huge. However, that being said, I am asking, please share this message with everyone. Please get votes. Please do free votes. There's no need to do paid votes. There's no reason to spend money on me. I do realize that a portion is for charity, for Feeding America, which is a great charity. And people have been spending money, and that has been really powerful because I just don't expect that, right? And as an educator, you know, I've said this in a previous video, we as educators are so used to pouring love out that receiving it in is difficult sometimes, in a good way. It's really powerful and it really is validating. So thank you for all of your love and support. And please keep sharing. I have until Thursday to make first place. If I don't make first place in my group, I don't advance. And that's okay, because this has been a wonderful experience. And I thank all of you for every step of the way. And if there's a chance to make someone viral, let's do this. Can we make this the moment to go viral? Because that'd be really cool. No, that's fine. Like and share. The biggest thing is to share and share the story, right? The story of Hadley's Kitchen. I started cooking when I was a child in the kitchen with my parents, with my grandmother. It's a way for me to share my love with others. And that's why I cook. From this humble little kitchen comes so many things. And thank you. Thank you all.